Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing to you how to get a glowing spotless free and skin, and that also get a blackheads remover and also suntan in remover that use in this remedy. So let's start. How can I use this face mask? At first I take sandalwood powder, milk. You can use any type of milk, that's in the boiled milk or raw milk, that you can use any type of. That's no problem to use this. So friends, this is my ingredients and I will show you how much quantity I will apply this face mask. At first I take a little bowl to mix up all these ingredients. Then I take 1 tablespoon of sandalwood powder. Take 1 tablespoon of milk. I can use this 2 tablespoons, but if you want to take 1 tablespoon of milk, that's okay. But I take 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons is better to mix it. So I take another spoons of milk. Now it's time to mix up. Mix it that not plump in there. This face mask is also helpful to get remove and sometimes that your skin is burnt and they're unsun, and also gets in your skin's glowing, whitening, and also it's a dark spots remover. Now I can show you how to apply in my hands. You can use this face mask full of your body that you want to get a full of skin's whitening skin, that you used this. So I take an old brush. Now apply this. Milk helps to get a whitening, glowing skins and also get a pinkish skin. And sandalwood powder helps to get also in the glowing and plus suntan remover. You can use this face mask any time of your day because there's not problem to use in at night or at morning or at evening. Leave it 15 to 20 minutes, then it dry. After dry it, then wash up in the cold water. So friends, this is my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel.